Welcome to stop motion. Stop motion is a really fun way to kind of see a project come to life. It usually adds movement and excitement into the project. And so if you just go over to YouTube and you search stop motion, you might find some different examples. So sometimes they're created with logos, sometimes they're created with all these different icons, but you can also make them with a Google slide. So right here, you can kind of again see that this is going to be a tutorial, but all of these are out of Google Slides. So right here, we've got stop motion. And again, you can see that we have this wolf in the mountains, and look at all these slides. So slide one just has the background, and then now we're adding all these additional slides. So what the final project kind of looks like is it goes throughout these different slides once you learn how to publish, which you'll learn later. And so again, you'll kind of be able to see all of these slides and you just move things just a little bit. So let's go ahead and look at this SpongeBob one. So here they're adding all the characters. And then at the very, very end, all these slides turn into a quick video. Okay, so that is what stop motion is and kind of what it looks like. Let's see if we can find just an example. Okay, so we've got this basketball. See it dribbling right there? It's because we're able to move it just a little bit in every single slide. This is what we're going to make. So again, we're going to make something that's moving just a little bit every single slide, but when you throw it together, it's going to move a lot. So back to this slide, our first step is storyboarding. So you're going to look on slide 3 and you're going to see what is the topic that you need to demonstrate through stop motion. The next thing you're going to want to do is go through and add mode. So after this video, you're going to want to add this extension and you're going to want to watch this video and learn how to add the mode extension. Right here, I've got a couple different things that you can use. Feel free to use other things as well. So you can search using the Explorer tool down here, and I could search like ice. Or and go to images, and I could add this onto my slide deck. Okay, so again, feel free to add different images, different backgrounds, stuff like that. That's going to be saved for the second step. This is just your brainstorming step. So here's where you might want to use some arrows to help label, some dots, that kind of stuff. On these slides, you are then going to kind of draw an image. So if I am talking about gas, I might add these images and then I would move the balls kind of all over the place. And then I can talk about it transforming into maybe a liquid on slide 2. So you're going to decide how you kind of want to transfer this out. You're also going to add your moat. You're going to type in this text box, just a quick jot of notes to help you remember. On box 2, you're going to do the exact same thing. Same thing with 3. And you're going to just explain all of these different processes based on what your topic is on slide 3. If you need more, you can just right click, so 2 fingers, 1 click, and hit duplicate slide and just change your 5 to a 6 or whatever you need to do to add more slides. Feel free to do as you are creating. So again, go ahead and you can go in and you can change these numbers. You can change whatever you need to customize this for your own learning. Okay, so if you need more slides to plan, feel free. Once your slides are planned, you're going to show a teacher. Also, you're going to use that moat just to quickly give some audio. Every slide doesn't need to have audio, but at least do a couple just to practice using your voice, okay? And again, you can kind of decide, do you want to use a text box to give feedback or use moat? So if I'm using moat, you're just going to click here, and then you're just going to talk, click the check. Once you have that done, it's going to go into your slide deck. And then you will put it over the moat icon. So right here it is, and I just move it right here, and then I'm good to go. Okay, so that is phase 1 storyboarding, just planning out, getting your ideas out on the board. It doesn't need to be pretty, it doesn't need to be perfect, because that is for the second step.